As part of our Xanadu release, we've built out a disputes intake playbook for cardholders on Portal to seamlessly intake all preliminary information from the cardholder so they can submit a dispute. Here we are logged in as Anu Raj, as he starts on the customer service portal of his bank, wanting to submit a dispute. He navigates to request something and ultimately report a dispute. As you can see here, a playbook for the cardholder populates here on the left, showing the cardholder the 4 steps they have before submitting their dispute. In addition, Anu's accounts populate here on the first screen. Issuers can configure these cards with images to look like the actual credit or debit cards they offer. Anu chooses his Freedom credit card. From here, all of his recent transactions populate, and he can easily navigate to a specific time period by editing these start date and end date fields. Anu is here to dispute a cancellation charge from Uber, as the driver actually canceled on him. So he selects this transaction and clicks continue. Next, it moves to the reason for dispute stage of the playbook, where Anu begins to fill out information that will ultimately determine the reason code for his dispute. While Anu does recognize the transaction of merchant, he did not authorize it. Next, it moves to the disputes-related questionnaire we have built out. As you can see, we're only capturing information from the cardholder for fields that are required from them. Fields that can be auto-populated from other systems or by the agent are not presented to the end user here for simplicity. Here, Anu can upload documentation of the canceled ride and clicks continue. This takes Anu to the last step to submit the dispute. Now that it's submitted to the bank, the dispute agent will begin working on it in the workspace, automatically getting access to Anu's preliminary answers. As you can see, Anu can easily monitor exactly where the transaction is in the dispute resolution process, rather than just waiting and wondering. This cardholder dispute intake process hugely improves cardholder experience, as it simplifies the process and allows the cardholder to track their dispute as it gets worked on by the agent. From the agent perspective, they benefit from having all this information up front so they can get to work on the dispute right away. Thanks so much for watching our demo.